He can come on any day he wants to, provided it will not be a loaded day, loaded from the symbolic point of view. But we didn't ask him for any postponement, and it is his choice to decide on which day to come. We do not have any definite information. So in the last meeting I have had with him, we agreed that he will inform us ahead of time about his intention in Europe. That is the second point. The third point is that you would like to have an equal right to participate in governmental tenders in Europe. The management and administration of the Gaza-Jericho autonomy should be run from Jericho, not from Jerusalem. It's a clear-cut story. Now, whether the existing laws can enable the government to handle the situation, or whether there is a need for an additional law is now being checked by the Attorney General and the judicial part of the government. We shall see the result. There are not yet any results.